Alright, Kate, welcome to... So what are we playing today?
Okay, so today I'm playing this little sneaky Sasquatch game, and he's in the sewer right now. And since the Ninja Turtles are in the sewer, I decided to make him meet the Ninja Turtles.
Sneaky Sasquatch. So sneaky Sasquatch gameplay here, right, Kate?
Hey, Martina. Hey.
Look, this is how she makes the Ninja Turtles. Who is he meeting now?
He should be meeting
The minions.
Michelangelo and Clunk.
Yeah, he should meet Michelangelo.
Oh, now I know who Clunk is. I forgot who Clunk was.
I do not want those little marks there. Those little yellow marks there.
Oh, that yellow stuff. You can go fishing in there?
Yes, you
Then
can.
You can go fishing in the
You can go fishing.
sewer. You can go fishing in the sewer?
Yes, you can.
I didn't know
Michelangelo. Oh, what the heck? I erased his face.
What?
What? I keep erasing more. No. I do not want to erase his face.
You're so silly.
Now, I'm gonna make Clunk, so I'll need the orange again.
Alright, so this is just a video of how to make the Ninja Turtles and Sneaky Sasquatch, right?
Yes, you just have to take a screenshot and then just click on your, no, don't click, but just like hardly tap on your screenshot, and then it will go to this, and you could draw things on your screenshot.
Yeah.
Actually, Clunk has green eyes.
By the way, when you're done with this photo, can you show everybody else the other photos?
I'm sure.
Because she made all the Ninja Turtles and Splinter.
Yeah,
Splinter's super cute.
Yeah, Splinter. So, I did want to do Clunk, but since Clunk's never alone, I wanted to draw Michelangelo too, even though I already did draw Michelangelo.
So there's Michelangelo with Clunk.
No, that's... Oh, yeah, that's right.
Here's Michelangelo with Sasquatch, and there's Sasquatch's dog, Sammy. Then there's
Leonardo.
No, there's nothing over there. And then
There's Raphael.
And then we have Donatello.
So, Kate, tell everybody who your favorite Ninja Turtle is.
Okay, so I have two favorites, Michelangelo and Donatello, which the picture is.
And who are your? And do you have a reason why those are your favorite?
Not really exactly.
All right,
Hey, that's
so
right before mine, the 5th. No,
all right,
that's not.
Martina, tell us what your favorite Ninja Turtle is.
And why your favorite Ninja Turtles?
I like Leonardo. So I
Leonardo.
like just Leonardo.
So, and me personally, I have two favorites. I like Donatello and Leonardo, and there's no particular reason why. It's just because I just like them. I think they're pretty cool. All right. Anyways, yeah. Peace.
Bye.